front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. Before we begin, I want to address a common mistake people make while trying to manage adaptive brightness. Auto brightness is not the same as true tone. You see, true tone is changing color temperature of your screen. Auto brightness is adjusting brightness of your screen, basing its knowledge on your surroundings. So if you go into the sun, your screen will get brighter, and when you go into a darker room, it will get dim, so you can still be able to see everything comfortably. The confusion comes from the fact that true tone is placed under brightness slider in brightness settings, where you can't find auto brightness. So let's start finding and managing auto brightness feature. Firstly, go into settings. Secondly, scroll to click on accessibility section. Then click on display and text size. And finally scroll all the way down to use this switcher next to auto brightness. Now, when your switcher is green, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same until it's gray. If you wanted to manage true tone instead while clicking on this video, don't worry, I got you. Go back into main settings, scroll down just a tiny bit more and access display and brightness section. Scroll again and tap on this switcher next to true tone feature under brightness slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!